It's your boy Freelance and Averone. Just see your rise and shine and just giving God thanks and praise for life, you know? Definitely just giving God thanks and praise for life, man. It's a joy to be living in the West Indies, you know? Surrounded by nature, mansions on the hill, that's inspiration. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, it's a balance. So life is a balance. So we have to organize ourselves. We have to know what we want, you know? We have to have a plan. You know, we have to go get it. But one thing for sure is, never leave out the Most High out of nothing we do. Because without the Almighty, nothing is possible, is it? And with the Almighty, everything is. So yeah, man, it's an early morning meditation, you know what I mean? Part of cloudy skies. You know what I mean? Catch daybreak. And just enjoying, you know what I mean, life in the tropics. You understand what I say? So big up on yourself, more love, more peace, and more joy.